Welcome back to the channel, friends. Srikanth here. Like all weekend, this weekend also we started our journey to explore a new place, and this time we visited a dam named Baghalati Dam. Dam because yesterday only I heard a news because of too much rain, right? The dam is full and they opened up the gates. Even Ghodara Dam also they opened the gate, which we visited last time. So thought, okay, let's go there and have a look. We couldn't spend much time there because the climate is too humid and sunny, and there was no shade to take rest. So quickly we spent just 15 to 20 minutes. I took some aerial clips. So you just watch those clips. Definitely you will like it, and after that we'll meet. Okay. Hope you like the clip, guys. Yeah, we couldn't spend much time there. It's too sunny, and it's I think 1 o'clock now, and time to have lunch. We will have our lunch. After that, we will go to another exciting location. Is a waterfall. Name is Mankada Dian Waterfall. Mankada Dian means monkey jump. Okay, in Mankada Dian Odia means monkey jump. Okay, so we'll go there. We'll see how it is. Yeah. So let's quickly finish our lunch. After that we'll meet. Had our lunch, guys. Now let's proceed to Mankada Dian Waterfall. The Google map is showing the route. I think from here it is some 10 to 15 kilometer, which will take 30 minutes. The road till that fall is, I'm not sure how it is, like we need to track or the vehicle can go till the fall. I have no idea. Anyway, I will keep you posted. So let's start. we again stopped. If the road is like this and there is a stream passing by, who don't want to stop? Okay, we stopped. We'll go to the stream and I will show you such a nice one. Because of the rain, I believe wherever there is a stream, right, it is in complete flow. So let's go to the stream. After that we will continue our journey to the waterfall. Okay. We just reached, guys. Looks like the water level is too high because I can hear the noise, and definitely it might have also captured in the mic. There might be a background noise, right, because of the flow. Yeah, and you might have noticed how the road is. Last 2 kilometers it is like complete off-road. Cars are not recommended, only bikes, but somehow we managed to reach here. Let's go check it out. Hope you liked it, guys. Really, really awesome. I keep visiting such amazing places almost every weekend. So if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, because yeah, you will come to know a lot of exciting places like this. I think for today that's all, and we will meet you again next week in a new place, new location. So I think time to say bye. That's all, guys. Thanks a lot for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye.